Hi everyone. Today we are talking about something exciting, the top 5 longest rivers in the world. Rivers have played an essential role in shaping the history of our world. Many ancient and advanced civilizations grew and flourished along rivers. These waterways have witnessed the rise and fall of empires and many battles fought throughout history. Rivers are incredibly important for humans. They provide fresh water for drinking, fertile soil for agriculture, and act as natural highways for moving goods across regions and nations. Additionally, they sustain rich ecosystems supporting countless species of plants and animals. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the top 5 longest rivers in the world, ranked by their length, the size of their drainage basins, and the volume of water they carry. If you love exploring the wonders of our world, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting video. Let's begin. Number 1. Nile River. Nile River is the longest river in the world, measuring roughly 6,650 kilometers in length. The River Nile, known as the father of the African river. It runs through a large portion of the continent of Africa and flows through several countries, including Uganda, Ethiopia, Sudan, South Sudan, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, and Egypt. The Nile River gets water from 2 main branches, the Blue Nile and the White Nile. It flows north and ends in the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile is a major source of water and transportation. The waters of the Nile support approximately 40% of the population of Kenya, and it is home to several animals as well, including hippopotami, Nile crocodiles, and other animals which use the river as a source of fresh water. The Kagera River is the farthest source of the Nile. It is the longest river flowing into Lake Victoria in East Africa. The journey of the White Nile begins at Lake Victoria, in the vibrant town of Jinja, Uganda. Locally, it's known as the Victoria Nile. The Victoria Nile flows through 2 large lakes, Lake Kyoga and Lake Albert. After leaving Lake Albert, it is called the Albert Nile. The river then crosses into South Sudan at Nimule, where it is called the Mountain Nile. The river meets the Bahr el Ghazal at Lake 1 to form the White Nile, then continues northwards into the neighboring Sudan. It then flows north into Sudan, where it joins the Blue Nile to become the Nile River. The Blue Nile originates from Lake Tana, Ethiopia, and flows for about 1,460 to 1,600 kilometers through Ethiopia and Sudan before joining the White Nile. The main source of Lake Tana is the Gilgel Abai. Number 2. Amazon River. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world, measuring 6,400 kilometers. It is the largest river in the world as well, with the largest volume or discharge volume. The river runs through 3 countries in South America, Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, and empties into the Atlantic Ocean. The area surrounding the river, namely the Amazon rainforest, is known for being an extremely biodiverse area. Many species live in the forests along the river banks, but the waters are also rich with life. Roughly 1/3 of all known species in the world live within the Amazon region. Thousands of fish species, rare Amazon river dolphins, otters, manatees, and anacondas can be found in the river waters, along with several other prominent reptile species. Number 3. Yangtze River. Yangtze is the 3rd longest river in the world and the largest river in Asia. The Yangtze River in China measures 6,300 kilometers. The river flows in an eastern direction across much of China, emptying into the East China Sea. The Yangtze is a major water source within China and has a drainage basin that includes roughly 1/3 of the population of the country. Some 400 million people live along its banks. The river has been significant throughout history and plays a pivotal role in China. The river is also an unofficial border between North China and South China. It has been used for drinking water, transportation, and irrigation. Today, the Three Gorges Dam is the world's largest power station, pulling power from the river. Number 4. Mississippi River. Mississippi River, the longest river of North America, measuring a total length of 2,320 miles from its traditional source at Lake Itasca. It flows south at a speed of 1.2 miles per hour to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico and forms the 2nd largest drainage system in North America after the Hudson Bay. The river either borders or passes through the states of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. The Mississippi River can be divided into three sections: the Upper Mississippi, the river from its headwaters to the confluence with the Missouri River; the Middle Mississippi, which is downriver from the Missouri to the Ohio River; and the Lower Mississippi, which flows from the Ohio to the Gulf of Mexico. The Mississippi can be ranked as the fourth longest river in the world. Number 5. Yenisei. The Yenisei is the fifth longest river in the world and the largest to drain into the Arctic Ocean. It is one of the longest rivers in Asia. The river begins at the city of Kyzyl in the Republic of Tiva, Russia. The Yenisei runs from south to north across the great expanse of central Siberia. It is 5,075 kilometers long. It has a drainage basin of 2,000 and 80,000 kilometers. A significant feature of the Upper Yenisei is Lake Baikal, the deepest and oldest lake in the world. Rivers are more than just flowing bodies of water. They are the lifelines of civilizations, ecosystems, and economies. From the mighty Nile to the vast Amazon, each river on this list has played a crucial role in shaping the regions they pass through, supporting human life, wildlife, and diverse landscapes. These waterways have witnessed history unfold, nurtured ancient civilizations, and continue to be vital sources of water, transportation, and energy. Whether it's the cultural significance of the Yangtze, the biodiversity of the Amazon, or the power of the Mississippi, each river tells its own unique story. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's longest rivers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our planet's natural wonders. See you in the next video.